YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Now, you guys have been requesting this. We are finally here. All right. Snarky puppy. Lingus. As you guys can see in the title. All right. So, we ain't gonna waste no more time. Let's jump right into it. First and foremost, it is so many damn instruments. Is this like a class or people meet up? What in the... Hold on, let's go back to the beginning. Let's just bring it all the way back. Man, everybody got on headphones. Damn. Hey. Wow. Yeah. Oh my goodness, man. He is jamming. Okay, all right, damn it. Time out. The most epic, ultimate jam session ever. This is what heaven must look like for music. Oh my goodness, man. Oh, this, woo! Oh, do that thing! Oh. Yeah. Hey. So much fun. Come on. Oh. Man, I don't know what's better. Is it better to be there playing the instruments or to be there watching? I don't know. This is just like when you think of the word epic. Damn. Come on. Look at his face. Uh-oh. Oh, this. Come on now. Oh my goodness, man. Getting goosebumps over here. His face. Yeah. Man. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. He's like, I'm done. Oh shit! Man. I need answers, damn it. Who is Snarky Puppy? Oh my goodness, man. You guys said that you think I would love this. Man, that shit was... Oh my goodness, man. That man went... Look, shout out to everybody. They're holding the instrument, playing the instrument. Shout out to all of them. But man, that drummer and the man on the keyboard... Ooh. Ooh. Oh man. I'm trying to see if in the comments if somebody's saying who his name. I never heard of them, of this. This is my first time even... I mean, that was so damn great. Oh my goodness, man. You look in the dictionary. The word, epicness. Definition, snarky puppy. Oh my goodness, man. That was insane. I was waiting for somebody to start singing, just something. And it was like, nah, The instruments are here to do all the talking, bruh. Just relax. Thank you guys so much for the request, man. I truly appreciate that. You guys were right. That was, hey, that was super duper duper entertaining. I would just go watch that. Just sit down and just shut up with headphones on. Wow. Insane. All right. Thank you guys again, man. Gonna stop the video right there. If you guys enjoyed the reaction, go ahead, like, share, subscribe. Yes, please comment below and let me know who these people are. And is there more? All right. Peace out.